So I did this video once before, pulling up Fancy Gap, but I had my diesel truck as a 2016 Ram. Now I have a 2018 Chevy Silverado 2500 with a 6.0 gas engine. Now the speed limit's 65, so I'm setting my cruise to 65. We're going to see if it'll hold this 65 miles per hour all the way up to the top.
So far, so good.
Yep, good so far. We're at 64 miles per hour. Slowing down. I'm going to get over the middle lane. I'm really hoping I don't have to slow down. I just want to let the cruise control do its thing. So now we're over 4,000 RPM.
Picked it back up. We're up to 64 now.
Yep, 65. We're almost 4,500 RPM. But I kind of expected that. It's a gas truck.
It's a gas engine.
But we're holding 65.
Yeah, it's back up to 65 now, so.
Temperature gauge is holding steady at 210 degrees. It hasn't moved. Once you get up a little further, I will check the transmission temperature.
Doesn't look like much, but we're climbing.
Yeah, we're definitely climbing. We are pulling a 30-foot Airstream. It weighs 8,000 to 8,500 pounds. The first video, we were pulling a Jayco that weighed about 9,000 pounds.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the weight is close, but it's not the same. It's just not going to be. It's different truck, different trailer.
Not only that, but you're pulling it with a dually diesel at one time.
Yeah.
So, still doing good at 65.
65, about 4,200 RPM.
There was some blinky lights.
Still on 65.
Yep, it still sounds the same.
The diesel did it a lot easier, but
this is doing it.
It's doing it. It doesn't even care. It's just revving. Let's see if I can bring up the transmission temperature.
Hopefully this truck in front of us doesn't slow down any.
Oh, it upshifted about 3,200 RPM. We're at 185 degrees on the transmission temperature. Still 210 degrees cooling.
Wow, it sounds like normal now.
I know, it's like 3,200 RPM, 64 miles per hour.
Oh.
I really thought that it would be over 4,000 RPM all the way up.
Yeah, so did I.
$63 miles per hour, which means it's probably going to downshift.
I was going to say. There we go. Back up to 65.
Yep. Temp is still 210. Now I'm going to have to hit the brakes.
Oh, man.
I'm going to have to.
Yep.
But now we're down to 50, 55. Let's see if it gets back up to 65. Slowing down to 55 and got right back up to 65, no problem. more time. 187 degrees on the transmission. Coolant 210. Coolant never changed. There you have it. Made it to the
I
top.
was going to say, it looks like we're going to go down.
Yep.
That is it. We have conquered Fancy Gap in our gas truck.
Yeah. I still have no regrets going from diesel to gas. None.
Now I know some people will say Fancy Gap isn't anything. We live on this side of the country.
Right, it's what we
So
have.
It's what we have.
It's what we have. And if you guys haven't seen when we came up in the diesel truck, I'll put the link in the description, and probably at the end of the video there's be a clicky link. So check it out.